Satellites are like artificial moons. They are machines that humans launch into space. These machines orbit or circle around the Earth. Some satellites look like shiny balls with wings. Satellites help us in many ways. They allow us to make calls, watch TV, and even find our way using maps. They are essential for communication and navigation. You might wonder why satellites don't fall back to Earth. It's a fascinating question that delves into the intricate dance between gravity and speed. When we look up at the night sky and see those tiny dots moving steadily, it's easy to forget the complex physics at play. It's because of a delicate balance between gravity and speed. This balance is what keeps satellites in orbit, allowing them to circle our planet without plummeting back to the surface. Gravity pulls them towards Earth, but their speed keeps them moving forward, creating a continuous freefall around the planet. Gravity is a force that pulls everything towards the center of the Earth. It's the same force that keeps us grounded, preventing us from floating off into space. This invisible force is constantly at work, pulling objects towards the Earth's core. This force is what keeps us on the ground. Every step we take, every object we place on a table stays put because of gravity. It's a force we often take for granted, but it's essential for our daily lives. Satellites, however, are launched with enough speed to counteract gravity's pull. When a rocket launches a satellite, it must reach a specific velocity to enter orbit. This speed ensures that the satellite doesn't fall back to Earth, but instead stays in a continuous loop around it. Imagine throwing a ball. The harder you throw, the farther it travels before falling. If you could throw it hard enough, it would keep falling around the Earth, never hitting the ground. This is similar to how satellites stay in orbit. Satellites are like that ball, constantly thrown around Earth, staying up due to their speed. They are in a perpetual state of freefall, moving forward fast enough to counteract the downward pull of gravity. This delicate balance allows them to orbit our planet, providing us with vital services like communication, weather forecasting, and navigation. Without this balance, our modern world would be vastly different. Satellites play a crucial role in our daily lives, from the GPS in our cars to the weather reports we rely on. Understanding the dance of gravity and speed helps us appreciate the marvels of modern technology and the intricate forces that make it all possible. Not all satellites orbit the Earth at the same height or path. There are different types of orbits depending on the satellite's purpose. Geostationary satellites orbit high above Earth at the same speed as our planet's rotation. This makes them appear stationary from the ground, making them perfect for TV broadcasting. Low Earth orbit satellites are much closer to Earth. They travel faster and are used for things like Earth observation and weather forecasting. Satellites communicate with Earth through radio waves. Ground stations send signals to satellites, and satellites beam them back down to different locations. Think of it like throwing and catching a ball, but with invisible radio waves. These waves carry information such as TV channels or internet data. This communication happens at the speed of light, making it almost instantaneous. This is why we can watch live TV or browse the internet using satellite connections. Section 5. Satellite TV. Bringing entertainment from the stars. Satellite TV is a popular use of satellite technology. A large dish antenna at your home receives TV signals directly from a satellite orbiting high above. These signals carry hundreds of channels from around the world, providing a wide variety of entertainment options. From news and sports to movies and documentaries, satellite TV brings a universe of content right to your living room. Section 6. Satellite Internet. Connecting the unconnected. Satellite Internet provides access to the Internet in remote areas where traditional cable or fiber optic connections are unavailable. This technology is a game changer for communities that have long been isolated from the digital world. Imagine living in a place where the nearest town is miles away, and the only way to connect with the outside world is through a satellite dish. This is the reality for many people around the globe. A satellite dish at your home communicates with a satellite, sending and receiving internet data. This process involves the dish transmitting signals to a satellite orbiting the Earth, which then relays the data back to a network operations center. From there, the data is sent to the internet and back, completing the cycle. This seamless communication allows for a stable and reliable internet connection, even in the most remote locations. This allows you to browse the web, check emails, and stream videos even in far-flung locations. Whether you're a student needing to access online resources, a professional working remotely, or simply someone wanting to stay connected with family and friends, satellite internet makes it all possible. The ability to stream videos and access information in real time can significantly improve the quality of life for those in isolated areas. Satellite internet is a lifeline for people living or working in remote areas, bridging the digital divide and connecting them to the world. It empowers individuals and communities by providing access to education, healthcare, and economic opportunities. In many cases, it can be the difference between isolation and inclusion, offering a sense of connection and belonging. As technology continues to advance, the reach and reliability of satellite internet will only improve, further shrinking the digital divide and bringing the world closer together. Section 7. Beyond entertainment, other uses of satellites. Satellites play a crucial role in many other aspects of our lives beyond entertainment. They are integral to the functioning of modern society, providing services that we often take for granted. From the moment we wake up and check our smartphones to the time we go to bed, satellites are working tirelessly behind the scenes. They help us navigate using GPS, predict weather patterns, and even monitor the health of our planet. GPS, or Global Positioning System, is one of the most well-known uses of satellites. It allows us to find our way in unfamiliar places, track the location of our loved ones, and even find the nearest coffee shop. Satellites also play a crucial role in environmental monitoring. They provide detailed images of the Earth's surface, allowing scientists to track changes in land use, deforestation, and the effects of climate change. This information is vital for making informed decisions about how to protect our planet. GPS satellites, for example, constantly transmit signals that our smartphones and car navigation systems use to pinpoint our location on Earth. These signals are incredibly precise, allowing us to navigate with confidence whether we're driving in a busy city or hiking in a remote wilderness. Weather satellites provide real-time data on weather systems, helping us prepare for and respond to natural disasters. They monitor everything from daily weather patterns to severe storms, providing crucial information that can save lives and property, allowing meteorologists to forecast storms, track hurricanes, and issue early warnings. This capability is especially important in regions prone to extreme weather events, where early warnings can make the difference between life and death. In addition to these uses, satellites are also used for communication, scientific research, and even space exploration. They are truly one of the most versatile and valuable tools at our disposal. Section 8. The future of satellites: bigger, better, faster. The future of satellites is incredibly exciting. Scientists and engineers are constantly innovating, developing new technologies, and launching even more sophisticated satellites into space. We can expect to see smaller, more powerful satellites that can process and transmit data faster than ever before. These advancements will lead to even faster internet speeds, higher quality TV broadcasts, and more accurate weather predictions, further enhancing our daily lives. Section 9. Conclusion: our lives with satellites. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, satellites play a silent but vital role in our lives. They connect us, entertain us, and keep us safe. As technology continues to advance, we can only imagine the incredible new possibilities that satellites will unlock in the future. The future is bright, and it's beaming down on us from thousands of miles above.